What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? Y'all, what's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see it, today is track day. Yes sir, we got our Tran locked and loaded, checked over, everything good to go. Only thing is the oil got to finish burning off the exhaust. Well, I spilled all that oil where I told you about the crazy oil filter situation and all that. But anyway, other than that, we locked and loaded, strapped in, first trip. Wife ain't gonna be able to go, man. Ain't got no camera person right now, y'all. I don't have no camera person, so I'm gonna find one of the track stuff at the track, so we make sure we get that footage for y'all. Cause I'm telling you, I already know what this thing finna do. Y'all about to see a show, and if it put on a show, then y'all already done seen on the thumbnail. So, but I'm running behind, so I'm finna. That's the intro. I'm gonna turn y'all back on when I get to the track, man. I'm trying to get there 2 runs and be back. So I can put everything up because we got a track day again tomorrow. So I ain't trying to be down here all day. It's just to get the footage for y'all. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking in, man. We made it. I done unloaded everything. Like I said, I'm solo today. So I'm gonna pull up in the lane, man. I gotta find me a camera person, man, to record this thing. So I got the tire pressure set already, ready to roll. First pad, I hope I got enough gas. Cause I wanna run on the pump E, the 70%, so y'all can see. And then we're gonna go pull the Renegade in there. So I hope there's enough gas here just to make one pass at least. I don't know, man. We're gonna see. Well, let's do it. All right, y'all, gonna make the first pass. All right, we're checking in, y'all. So we made the first hit. two things. Shift point definitely need to be lowered, cause it went on the limiter, and then I got out of it too. I pulled my foot off there too, cause like I said, I can tell, man, when you can tell when the engine go out of power. It went out of power, and then it started snow diving. So we definitely need to lower that shift point down, man. The shift point make a big difference. So the fuel pretty low too, so I'm gonna go ahead and pour the 5 gallons of Renegade in there. We're gonna make one more pass, and then that's gonna be it, cause all we need is a little data. If y'all know after this, I'm gonna make it better. This is my first time running the car, so after that I can study, then we're gonna see what it do. So we're gonna get some more fuel in the tank. Gonna put the Renegade in there and see what's happening. Look at it, it's pretty low. It's pretty low. So we're gonna put some I'm gonna pour the Renegade in, man, and we're gonna make one more pad, cause y'all know how the blowers do, man. You keep making them pad, they gonna get slower and slower, cause they just put hot air in the engine. So let's do that and then check back. All right, we got the E85 in, the Renegade. Take the shift points up, man. I just kind of want to feel the car out at first, so I had it set pretty low. But like I said, man, you gotta see how the car handle and all this stuff first. So now change it, and we're gonna turn it up a little more and see what it do. And after that, we're gonna load up and go back to the house and I'll check back in. So y'all stay tuned. All right. So look, we're going to make the second pad, and I'm trying to turn this thing up a little more. I want the steering a little better. So I'm finna make one more, turn it loose, and just see what it do, man. Kind of feel it out. We ain't trying to make a record pass today. Trying to make a baseline. Trying to make a baseline pass and kind of see where we at and what we got. Cause you know, like I said, everything new. So then what you do. Now y'all know after this, it's just gonna get faster and faster. It's gonna get better and better after this. So see, I know it. So after this, man, we're gonna get better and better, man. We're gonna get better and better. So like I said, we just filling the car out. First two passes, I ain't trying, just want to see how the car drive. I want to see like where the best place to shift it at, this and that. So like I said, trust me, it ain't nowhere near, especially that pad. That pad was slow. It didn't run nowhere near what it can do, but that part of the game. We gonna see what it do. So y'all stay tuned, man. We're gonna get in the water box. I'll turn y'all back on. checking in. So y'all see, man, I got it loaded up. We're gonna take it on back to the house. Like I said, we just wanted 2 hits. I just wanted 2 hits just to see what we're working with. That's all I needed, man. I ain't trying to put it all out, turn it all the way up, turn it loose. I ain't trying to do all that. Cause 2 things. I don't like the way the car drive, really. And definitely, well, y'all already knew I was gonna have to redo the suspension. Don't get me wrong, it got some decent stuff on there, but it ain't set up the way I would. That's why I cocking up and all that stuff. If I just stab it, cause I ain't going to the floor on the line, but if I stab it, it'll show enough would have traveled up. I can feel it. But I kind of figured it gonna cock like that. And the car been to the track 3 times before me. I saw 1 video, and it way up there. But I'm not stabbing it, cause I want to see. This is my first time taking it down the track, so I want to see how it drives more than anything. Cause the steering needs to be tightened up. So we got what we need. I'm gonna. Y'all know what time it is now, man. Next time this thing come to the track, it's gonna be crazy. Cause now I got something to work with. I know what I'm working with, and I know what my plan of attack about to be to make this better and to correct this. So first off, steering, cause you gotta be able to drive. I don't like you have to steer that thing too much. I don't like that. The rest of my car, man, you drive them things like that, but the steering and definitely the shock. I told y'all anyway, I'm gonna redo all the shocks on this car. Everything, shocks, real suspension. I'm gonna do all that. So I'm gonna take all this stuff off and put on my white car. We're gonna put it on Emma, cause she ain't racing in there. It'll be perfect. It's perfect for that, you know, it's riding around the street and all that. But what I'm about to do with this car, which y'all know we're gonna see the track, obviously, it's gonna be clean too. But y'all know I got a certain way I like to do stuff. So but all in all, I mean, it's a great running car. Like I said, I ain't just fully turn it loose, and I wasn't trying to just, like I said, make a Hail Mary pass or nothing like that. A little at a time, man. You know I can't give y'all everything. A little at a time, man. A little at a time. It look pretty slow right now. I know it do, but I know what it will do and what it got, cause I know what kind of power it make. It been on the dyno, so I know what kind of power it make, and I know what it weigh and all that good stuff. So let me get this thing strapped down, man. We're gonna head back to the house, so y'all stay tuned. All right, we checking in, y'all. So it's a few days later from the track trip with Tran, and all I can say, man, I'm glad the car ran good. It's a little on the slow side right now. I ain't gonna tell you no lie. It's a little on the slow side. It definitely didn't run to its full potential. But like I said, again, it partly with me, and it's my first time running the car, so you know you have to iron some things out. I wasn't going to the track to make a Hail Mary pass, being in all honesty. I'm going to the track to just make sure it goes down smooth, see how it drives, see if anything gonna break, this and that, man. So just basically, I'm gonna creep up on it. And then, like I said, I found stuff I wanna correct. I need to tighten the steering up. I need to get my eyes on the dyno sheet. It has been on the dyno, or either I'm gonna take it myself. I'm gonna take it and dyno it again. And it definitely some room for improvement. I might actually change one thing on the engine, you know what I'm saying? Because I know one thing that can change, and it'll definitely make more power for sure. So, like I said, all in all, the car, I'm happy the car ran good and is in one piece. I ain't break nothing and all that good stuff, but we're gonna creep up on it, man. It's just gonna be a process, y'all. It's a process. You know, we jumping back and forth between cosmetic and performance. We had the little ran thing we had to fix, y'all know that. So now this week coming up, the plan is this week the plan is to get the window situated first. Me and Rick already talked, got a tack plan. Get the window situated so it can go up and down as it should. I'm gonna get the door panels on this week, and I gotta get that tack changed too, man. Cause there's a lot, excuse me, a lot of the problem was the shift points. I'm being real with you. Y'all might not believe me, but you can slow a car down or speed a car up dramatically just by changing your shift points and shifting the car where it should be. I'm telling you, man, I think a lot of it was the shift points too. And the 60 foot can be better too. Suspension need addressing. 60 foot, some better shots. Man, when I put some shots on there, it's gonna show another drop to 60. That's gonna help it too. But the shift point, man, that little bit of tack that's in there, I gotta get that out. That's coming out this week, man. We're gonna put an auto meter in there and call it a day. So I got to get that up out of there. That's another thing. So that's on the agenda today, this week too. Change the tack, fix the window, get the door panels on. Like I said, then we'll be a step closer to having the interior finished. I need to get up there and get the seat belts and stuff for that guy, so I can change all the seat belts out and all that good stuff. So, you know, man, we got a little load, and I got a lot of carburetor work to do this week too. I got one customs carb I got to get done. We got an ANT carb. I got another one that I got that's gonna be for sale on the market sitting over here. I got a breakdown on another 750. I got 3 750s for sale, man. So you need a 750 double pumper, email me. Yeah, man, you know, that's it though. Then I'm gonna tell y'all, man, a lot of the shift point, cause I do a lot of testing. I do a lot of tests people don't know about. Now I have ran Tran again already, but in Mexico, but I ain't showing all that right now. Car went pretty quick too, man. It went pretty fast, but I sent that joke. But y'all, they'll be later down the line, man. But all in all, y'all, first track trip, I'm glad y'all got to see it. Say right there in the corner, it ain't, trust me, it didn't really do nothing. It didn't do nothing worth talking about. Cause I ain't, like I said, I ain't just laying and all that, man. But next time y'all see it, y'all be like, whoa, this thing like a whole new car. But y'all know how I get down and all that. So other than that, man, I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.